setting tool. So I've got a bolt going through on a 17 millimeter, a washer, a 10 millimeter. That 10 millimeter sits really nice into the star, into the crown of the star. I think that's all I need. That and to be able to hit this squarely. Right there. I got the first one in. Getting ready for that lining up of the next one. Make sure we're tight. Looks like it's kind of leaning one way. Started. Oh, I like that. I like that. Now, how low do I want to go? I think I want to go a little bit lower than that. Alright, let's take it apart and see what it looks like. Go bingo. It looks good. Throwing a new crown bolt in here and seeing what it looks like. Oh yeah. That looks fine. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what you want. Success.